Hi friends, this is Sadak Patil from GVM Sadak back again with a new video, and in this video we'll be doing the review of this Nokia 8.1. So guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe my channel and do hit that bell icon to get latest notifications about my channel. So we have the box in front of us, written Nokia on the front, and the box we got it a retail unit and it's priced for 19,499 on in an offline store. You can get it online for about price of 20,000 or so. On the back side it says 6.18-inch pure display, 12 plus 13 megapixel dual rear camera with Zeiss lens and OIS. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7110 processor, which is good enough to play games and do some quite normal work. So in the box you get a 18-watt fast charging adapter, and believe me guys, I have charged the phone twice or thrice since I bought this, and the phone charges almost in an hour and you are ready to go. The adapter has USB type C. On the back side you get dual rear cameras and the fingerprint sensor. On the downside you get to see Android One logo. The cameras are 12 megapixel and 13 megapixel respectively. They are Zeiss lenses and are optically stable, and the quality of photos you get is really amazing. I will show some photo samples in the end of this video, so watch till end. On the front side you get a notch, you get an iPhone like notch and a chin with Nokia branding on the downside. The phone appears to be very premium with that glass back, and on the sides you get volume rockers. On the downside you get a speaker grill, a microphone grill and a type C port. On the upper side you get a headphone jack, which is a pretty good thing, and on the front side you get a 6.18-inch IPS LCD screen, and the screen is of good quality. The front camera is of 20 megapixel and the photos are really amazing. I will show some photo samples in the end of this video. Let me just show, this device runs on Android One, so you can get 2 years of security updates from Google, and it runs on Android One and Android 9 Pie, which is the latest one from Android. So let me just show what can you see in about phone. So we get Android 9 version in this. Yeah, this is the Pie. It runs on Pie, and the experience, the user interface is very good in my first opinion, and you can get security updates, so your phone will not be need not to worry about the software and all that things. In the camera side we get a photo, we get a dedicated pro mode for adjusting the ISO, focus, and you get a live bokeh mode in which you can adjust the bokeh or the portrait mode shots in the photos. You get a video, it supports 4K at 30 fps and slow-mo at 120 fps. You can also get time-lapse option, but it would be great if there would be time-lapse settings. So this is a video shot by the Nokia with OIS on, and I just tested this for testing the OIS, and believe me guys, this video is quite stable, and the colors, the punchiness, the contrast, the sharpness is such a great that I can't believe guys. It's awesome. The Zeiss lenses are great and they're doing a great job. So now let's have a look at some photo samples. So this was shot with the normal mode. So this was again with the normal mode. So we have not edited these photos, these are default photos which are taken from the mobile, and you get to see a lot of HDR and good quality pictures, and the highlights and the shadows, the blacks and whites are good. These are some selfie shots taken by the camera. This was taken in the live bokeh mode, and it does good scene edge detection, and this was from the normal mode. Again, this was from the normal mode, and the amount of contrast and saturation is very good. In macro shots the device performs well, and you get to very good detailing and sharpness. You also get good detail in HDR. This was taken in HDR on. It has auto HDR, so this is a good phone. So guys, if you like this video, then please do that like button and do share this video, comment and do subscribe my channel. Thank you. you guys.